Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gauge 3 Designs and I'm back with another episode. So here I have this, I was working on a house and I have this hidden room under the stairs, kind of like a children's playroom. I did this in Revit 2019. After exporting and importing into SketchUp Pro 2018, we're now here with a blank canvas where we can add Thea Render 2.0 textures. So let's go ahead and get started. So for sure on this flooring here, I want to do a wood flooring, and that's going to go into this playroom also. So let's go ahead and check out online repository and look at some wood floors. And we can also look under floor too, but I just want to jump to wood real quick and see what we got going. Okay. I think I'm gonna try this herringbone here. Get like a dark texture because this railing I'm gonna do a dark texture. Um, but I want all this to be white. So okay, so we have that. So let's go ahead and um, do the railing. And I want, let's see what we got in, actually, okay, so we have a dark fine wood here. Go ahead and add that there. Add this here. I'm gonna keep that white. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Nice. I like how the light creeps in and sits at this level here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some light inside here also, and I think just to decorate it a little bit, put some lighting in here also, and I think I'm gonna throw a chandelier in here, maybe a table here with some plants and a vase, just to give it a nice homely feel to finish it up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, now let's see what we got going on here. Go ahead and render, and actually I think I might want to add some light there. Yep, let's add some light here first. We can use this. really like this. That's all I have for today. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks.